Protective Diet Salad Crunch Wrap. I gave the trendy keto lettuce wrap a plant-based, portable sandwich slim you down makeover that also gives new life to leftovers. Reminiscing about handheld paper-wrapped deli sandwiches and burritos inspired me to grab the parchment paper, lay out lettuce, layer it with protective fridge-handy favorites, and wrap it up for fresh crunch. Throw in an optional side of Healthy Valley Ranch dressing or a bottle of Probiotic Pepper Sauce, and go. Jerry and I love the portability of rolling and wrapping salads taken on sunset picnics. This recipe includes 24 leftover filling options. Leftover kids' spaghetti garnished with ferments wrapped up lettuce tight has us ready in minutes to go microbing at a new picnic site. Whatever protective leftovers you hide inside, these crunchy, fresh wraps will become your favorite way to have a health-transforming experience outside this summer. Expand your knowledge and wellness application with the Microbiome Population Project information included in the recipe notes. I encourage honoring your wellness on a protective diet no matter where you are or whom you're dining with. This self-care practice will not go unrewarded or unappreciated by everyone who loves you. Our good health and vitality are rewards not just for ourselves, but to everyone in our life. Follow through daily with self-care in order to have the energy and ability to serve everyone you love in abundance. Nothing is more important to me and to all those who love you than your happiness, and robust microbiome diversity has much to do with it.